Connect the gas line to the water filter valve and connect the device to the gas tank. Pull the knob up and rotate clockwise to set the desired pressure. Push down to lock. Connect the device to AC power. Open the device casing. Turn the emergency stop clockwise to reset and unlock. Press the power button to turn on the machine. Enter the cleaning mode interface. Built-in customizable process library for selection according to cleaning materials. Select the type of swing you want. The system features 16 kinds of wobble modes. Built-in intelligent PU-FRAC protection thresholds. Power adjusts automatically within safe limits. Pulse table parameter values can be added according to application requirements. Press the sway and laser buttons to turn it on. The system is equipped with a red light preview function to view the beam wobble trajectory in advance. Press the laser and sway buttons to turn it off. Turn off the power button. Turn off the emergency stop button.